Lovely sail in blue water and blue sky today.
So big!
She loves her salty sea dog. Not that she's not salty herself. The one that's sailing along. Quite the full main. Blue skies and not overpowered for once. I know all you professional fishermen, I'm sure there's an easier way to deploy it than this. But this is the only way I know. So we're heading from Carriacou here, which is in Grenada, to Union Island, which is St. Vincent, going across this channel, and for once the tide, which is shown by that little arrow there and shown down here, is actually 1 knot going that way, so it's actually helping us to get to our destination, which is there. It's 3 miles away, but we've got to go upwind, so we need to tack. Okay, Tia? You get all that? There'll be a test when you come out. First catch of the day, lump of weed. Yep, sure enough, about 3 pounder of weed. have arrived in Union Island, picked up the buoy, and this is our scene. That's the airport over there. But look at this water and reef we're behind. Palm Island over there. Up to PSV and Petit Martinique, back to Carriacou, where we just came from. Rather nice, eh? Rather nice.
Spectacular.
One is tidying the ropes after we just picked up this buoy. Lovely. Well done. Is it unstuck?
Getting there. Okay.
Well done. Now, let's have a chat. How long do you want to stay up there? And what's it worth to come down? It'll be dark in a couple of hours. The seagulls will be coming and pecking at things on the mast. What do you think? A little thing like you they'll love.
Do you want cooked meal for lunch or not?
Lunch. Ah, lunch. Okay, I'll get you down.
Okay.
She didn't even squeal. Most upsetting. She's so light, she's hardly even pulling the rope through the winch. Well done, my mast engineer.
We have found the market.
It's a rather colourful market, isn't it? We have CJs, we have Trinis. We've come to this tiny little island called Happy Island. Well, it's a bit of a funky place. Everyone's watching the sunset. And this is about the extent of the island. A few palm trees. Apparently it's built on conch shells. After 2 years of buying these things, it's time to get them paying back. We are going kiting. And there we have two halves of the kiteboard. And it should, in theory, neatly go together. Like that. So, wasn't very successful. Pumped up the kite and it depumped itself quite quickly, and we have valve problems. So now we've come back to the boat with the bladder from the kite. This is the bit that's in the middle of the kite that blows up, just like a bicycle bladder. And we are going to patch it very carefully. everybody, we're back. We're back. Have you been a good girl?